In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make viral shorts using Sora 2. If you're looking to harness your creativity and create engaging, attention-grabbing shorts, you're in the right place. We'll walk through how to use the powerful features of Sora 2 on Global GPT to turn your ideas into eye-catching videos that are sure to capture attention. First, let's talk about getting started with your prompt. This first step is crucial because it sets the foundation for everything that's to follow. You'll want to craft a single sentence that clearly communicates your idea. It's important to be as descriptive as possible here. Think about what motion you want to portray, the type of scene you're imagining, and the mood you're aiming to convey. This description will guide the creative direction of your video and help ensure that your vision is accurately translated into a dynamic visual format. Once you have your prompt nailed down, the magic of Sora 2 comes into play. With just a single click, you can transform that descriptive prompt into a professional-looking short. The beauty of Sora 2 lies in its user-friendly interface that seamlessly takes your inputs and applies advanced visual techniques to bring them to life. This means you don't have to be a seasoned video editor to produce content that looks polished and engaging. The intuitive design of Sora 2 will handle the complex processes in the background, allowing you to focus on your creative concept. Taking a step back, consider why creating engaging shorts is so powerful. In today's fast-paced digital world, capturing your audience's attention in the first few seconds is critical. The ability to convey your message quickly and visually is essential, and that's where Sora 2 shines. Whether you're making content for personal projects, marketing, or entertainment, these engaging shorts can help you connect with your audience more effectively. Remember, the key to successful video content is not just about visuals, but also the story you tell and the emotions you evoke. As you use Sora 2, think about the narrative within your short. What reaction are you hoping to inspire? How does the motion in your scene support the mood you want to create? Keeping these questions in mind will help you make more impactful content. By the end of this process, you'll have a vibrant, dynamic short that not only aligns with your original vision, but also resonates with your audience. It's that simple. With Sora 2, you're just a few steps away from producing not just any content, but content that stands out and grabs your viewers' attention. So, get started with your ideas, let Sora 2 handle the heavy lifting, and enjoy creating viral shorts that leave a lasting impression.